Hi darlings, welcome to my new History of Makeup Magic series. I have decoded some of the most iconic eras in beauty history so you can create timeless makeup magic today and every day. I can't wait to see you all try these looks at home. And don't forget to subscribe, darlings. You don't want to miss this. Darlings, I love the 90s. It's the supermodel era, the decade that launched my career. Today, my incredible pro artist Ria is going to show you all of my tips and tricks for creating the super sexy, super 90s supermodel look. 90s makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty. I love using magic mats and tonal taupes to mimic the effects of nature, to make everyone become super gorgeous versions of themselves. It's universally flattering cool girl makeup. Applying a concealer a shade lighter than your natural skin tone is my secret to creating super bright, super 90s supermodel skin. To brighten, blur and lift the skin in seconds, apply my airbrush flawless brightening powder to the center of the face. This is my secret to 90s matte makeup magic. To create sun-kissed skin in seconds, apply my airbrush bronzer to any areas of the face that the sun naturally hits, such as the forehead, bridge of the nose, and the cheeks, then suck in your cheeks and follow the hollow to sculpt, lift, and define. Everybody wants those sultry, cool girls 90s supermodel eyes. Ria is using my Super Nudes palette to contour the eye shape, tracing the nude shade along the waterline to create wider, brighter looking eyes.
Someday we'll make it on by. Other days we only can try. Either way, no matter what people say. Either way, we're gonna get. Someday we'll make it on by.
This era is defined by neutral nudes. Use my lip cheek lip liner to overline the Cupid's bow. This is my secret to creating a plump, lifted 90s supermodel pout in seconds. I remember mixing concealers with pink lipsticks and hints of brown. It's how my now iconic Nude Kate lipstick was born. I created it in homage to the ultimate 90s cool girl, my gorgeous friend and beauty muse, Kate Moss.
We only can try. Either way, no matter what people say. Either way, we're gonna get. Someday we'll make it on by. Other days we only can try. Either way, no matter what people say. Either way, we're gonna get.
Just go get another one.
You can shop this look on charlottetilbury.com and my Charlotte Tilbury app. Thanks for watching, darlings.